Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to prepare a single meal? Or maybe you're craving crispy golden fries without the guilt of deep frying? This Seedeem 9-in-1 air fryer oven, 16-quart countertop convection oven, might just be the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. This versatile kitchen appliance combines air frying, baking, broiling, toasting, dehydrating, and more into a sleek, user-friendly package. Available in stylish pink, silver, or black, it's as much a design statement as it is a culinary powerhouse. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this countertop convection oven is making waves, diving into its features, benefits, and whether it's worth the investment for your kitchen. Spoiler alert, this air fryer toaster oven is packed with surprises that could transform your cooking game. Why the Seedeem 9-in-1 air fryer oven stands out. The modern kitchen is a busy place. Between work, family, and social commitments, who has time to wrestle with clunky appliances or spend hours cleaning up grease splatters? The Seedeem 9-in-1 air fryer oven solves these problems with its multifunctionality and health-conscious design. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this 16-quart countertop oven promises to simplify meal prep while delivering restaurant-quality results. Let's break down what makes this appliance a must-have. Key features that make cooking a breeze. 9-in-1 versatility. This isn't just an air fryer, it's a baking, broiling, toasting, dehydrating, and pizza-making marvel. From crispy wings to homemade jerky, this appliance handles it all. 16-quart large capacity. Feed the whole family or a party of guests with ease. Roast a whole chicken, bake a 9-inch pizza, or whip up a batch of cookies without breaking a sweat. Compact yet mighty. Its space-saving design fits perfectly on any countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or dorms. Despite its compact footprint, it's built with durable stainless steel for long-lasting performance. Intuitive digital touchscreen, no complicated manuals here. The full touchscreen interface and 9 preset cooking modes make it easy to select the perfect settings, even if you're new to cooking. Healthy cooking technology. Using advanced air frying technology, this oven reduces oil usage by up to 95%, delivering crispy, flavorful dishes with fewer calories. Customizable precision. Adjustable temperature and timer settings let you fine-tune every recipe, ensuring perfect results every time. Stylish color options. Choose from pink, silver, or black to match your kitchen aesthetic. It's functional and Instagram-worthy. Benefits that elevate your culinary experience. The Seedeem 9-in-1 air fryer oven isn't just about features, it's about transforming how you cook, eat, and enjoy food. Here's why it's a game-changer.
Time-saving convenience. With 9 cooking functions in one appliance, you can ditch the clutter of multiple gadgets. Roast, bake, or air fry without switching between tools, saving you precious time. Healthier meals without sacrificing taste. Craving fried foods but watching your calorie intake? This air fryer oven delivers the crunch you love with minimal oil, making it perfect for health-conscious foodies. Family-friendly capacity. The 16-quart interior is spacious enough for large meals, whether you're hosting a holiday feast or prepping weekly meal plans for a busy household. Effortless cleanup. The non-stick interior and removable accessories make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. No more scrubbing greasy pans. Versatility for every skill level. From beginners to pros, the intuitive controls and presets make cooking accessible, while advanced settings allow for creative experimentation. Who is the Seedeem 9-in-1 air fryer oven for? This countertop convection oven is perfect for busy families, streamlined meal prep for weeknight dinners or holiday gatherings, health-conscious eaters, enjoy fried favorites like fries or chicken wings with up to 95% less oil, small space dwellers. Its compact design is a lifesaver for apartments, dorms, or cozy kitchens. Entertainers. Impress guests with perfectly cooked roasts, pizzas, or dehydrated snacks for game night. Novice cooks. The user-friendly touchscreen and presets take the guesswork out of cooking. Final verdict, should you buy the Seedeem 9-in-1 air fryer oven? If you're ready to simplify your cooking, eat healthier, and impress your family or guests, the Seedeem 9-in-1 air fryer oven is a no-brainer. Its versatility, large capacity, and user-friendly design make it a standout in the crowded air fryer market. While it may take a little practice to master all its functions, the results are worth it. Crispy, delicious meals with minimal effort. Whether you're roasting, baking, or dehydrating, this appliance delivers every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.